all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot for transportational services. So over here I've already created this WhatsApp chatbot, and first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So let's say I'm going to type hey and I'm going to send this hey on WhatsApp. Once I send this hey, within seconds and in real time this WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply me. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and yes, it is replying me. So let's say I'm going to ask my question right over here, which is, do you operate in tier 2 cities or only metros? So this is my question, and I've asked my question. Now once again, within seconds and in real time, this AI WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply me. So now let's ask another question. I need a same day transport from Delhi to Jaipur. Is that possible? So as you can see, I've asked my question, and once again within seconds this AI chatbot is replying me. So yes, you can see that it has successfully replied me, and it is saying that yes, it is possible. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about my business, like where do we operate, or we can do the same day transport or not. So I've created this knowledge base, and I've uploaded this knowledge base while creating this AI chatbot, and it is replying me using this knowledge base only. Let's say if I'm going to ask the price for this truck, so let's say I'm going to enter the truck name and mention price question mark, and once I'm going to ask the price for this truck, you're going to see it is going to give me the same price which we have mentioned right over here. So as you can see, this is the capacity and this is the approx cost per kilometer. So let's open WhatsApp, and as you can see that it is sharing me the same, and using this knowledge base only it is replying me and solving all the user queries. So yes, if you also want to create this amazing AI WhatsApp chatbot for your own transportational services, then watch this tutorial till the end, because this AI chatbot is customized and personalized for your own business only. So to do this, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser, and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Now on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you're going to see two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can approximately send and receive 100 messages for free. The another option which we have is this of sign in. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and once you click on this sign in, it is going to open all Pabbly apps. Then go on Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. Once we click on this access now, the dashboard of a Pabbly Chatflow account is going to open. So as you can see that this is the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now after opening the dashboard, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. How to add this WhatsApp number? Go on this add WhatsApp number button. You're going to see two methods. So video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After you add this, from the left end of the side, go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. After you add your WhatsApp number, go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And yes, if you wish to learn about any other feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these features is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So let's open this AI assistant, and then we have to go towards this add AI assistant. Now we have to name our AI assistant. So I'm just going to name it as chatbot for transportation services, and click on this add AI assistant button. Now a window something like this will appear, using which we're going to create this AI chatbot. So first of all, it is asking me for the instructions. So we have to give instructions towards the AI in order to generate the personalized replies. So what you can do is you can select the instruction type as custom prompt and enter the prompt unique to your business right over here. And if you don't want to do this, we have some pre-built examples for you, like AI agent, customer support agent, and so on. So you can select one of this pre-built example, and the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish to edit, like delete or add some, then you can definitely do it right over here. Otherwise, if you wish, you can keep it as exactly the same and move on further. The next is this temperature. So over here we have to set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if we move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if we move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now for the AI to use, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API keys. If you have saved your API key, you can directly select it right from here. If not, then what you have to do is you have to open your OpenAI API key page. Then log in inside this page first. And after you log in over here, you have to go towards this create new secret key button. Now you have to enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy the key and paste it right over here. After you paste the key, click on this connect and your API key will be added over here. After doing this, it is asking me for the assistant settings. So over here you can add the header and the footer message related to your own transportation service business. The next is this stop keywords. If you wish to stop this AI assistant, you can enter some keywords. We're going to do the same. What you have to do is you have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is really important that we press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. So you can add multiple keywords over here, all right? And what is going to happen is, like, let's say a user is chatting with the AI chatbot and they want a manual review or they want to speak to a human. So they can type the word human and the AI chatbot is going to stop right over there. It is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI chatbot. The next is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. Now we have this fallback message. So over here you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. What you can do is you can add your email address right over here. So if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly, they can contact you on Gmail. After entering this fallback message, you have to move on further towards this knowledge source. Like I showed in the starting of this video, that this AI chatbot is replying using this knowledge source. And yes, we have to create and upload this knowledge source in order to generate personalized replies like this. So what you have to do is you have to open a blank Google document and enter the knowledge unique to your own transportational service business in that Google document, like about your company, who you are. Then you have to enter your mission, what you offer, and the rest of the details like FAQs, booking procedures, shipment tracking, payment methods, and much more. Once you add all of these details in your Google document, then go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDFs are supported, but I'll suggest you download this in TXT format because TXT is preferred, because for PDF we have no page limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So that's why I'll suggest you go for TXT. Go to its choose a file and then you have to go to its download and upload your TXT file right over here. So as you can see that I have successfully uploaded my TXT file. Where's the vector ID, date and time, which is the proof of successful uploading. After doing this, you have to go towards this assistant interface and now it is asking for the heading. So what you have to do is you have to copy the name of your business from the knowledge base and paste it right over here as the display heading name. Once you add it right over here, it will be automatically added on the right hand side also. Now next which we have is this subheading. So if you edit this subheading over here, it will be edited right over here on the right hand of the side too. The next which we have is this initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it. Now we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to enable this, keep it as enabled. Otherwise you can disable it right from here. Now we have this footer text and footer link. So you can add this footer text and footer link to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. If you add the footer link, the text will convert into the link. Otherwise it will remain as a plain text right over here. Now we have this user's first message. So this message will be sent as the initial message from the user on WhatsApp. So I'm going to keep it as here right over here. You can change it according to your own choice. After assistant interface, we have this styling. So over here you can style a WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and the images too. And yes, your chatbot is ready to run. Now you have to switch on this button and click on this save AI assistant and your AI assistant will be saved. After you save this AI assistant, you must be wondering, how are we going to use it for a business? So you have to go to this embedded, you're going to get this script. So copy the script and paste it on your website. Once you paste the script on your website, this AI chatbot will be added on your website, that whenever someone visits your website, clicks on this chat with us button, this AI chatbot is going to appear, and when they click on this start chat, automatically this user's first message will be sent from your user towards you on WhatsApp, and the AI chatbot is going to get activated and reply and solve all that user's query. Further, what you can do is you can go towards this inbox section and assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts. So let's say if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to this contact, you have to go towards this choose AI assistant and you can assign this AI assistant like this. And further, what you can do is if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, then you have to go towards this settings and then inbox settings. After you come on this inbox settings, scroll and you're going to see this enable AI auto replies. So switch it on right from here, select the contact list and the AI chatbot who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. Then you have to click on this save button and automatically this settings will be saved. And with this, we have successfully learned how to create an AI assistant for a transportation service business using Pabbly Chatflow. And then whenever this AI chatbot is going to run within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to solve all your user queries like I showed in the starting of this video using the knowledge base which you have uploaded. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.